the problem lies in the fact that people think that the being slim and being fit are the same things, which is not true. It used to happen, but like once or twice, this also has happened that one particular teacher may have not, you know, been in support, and she would be like, कि हाँ तो फिर आपको वो बोल रहे हैं तो फिर भागा करो ना. And I'm like, what? Is this really happening? Shalakha would say to them that आज तो मेरी पार्टी में तुम लोग आ गए, अगली बार अपना एक बड़ा समूह लेकर मेरी पार्टी में आने की जरूरत की तो तुम्हारी लाशें तुम्हारे बच्चों को बुबलाबू आइलैंड के समुद्र में ही मिलेंगी.
Hi guys, this is Mina Devan and you're watching Hugsite and India.com. Today we have with us someone who has been dazzling the social media, who's all over the social media, none other than Karan Sareen, also known as Gorgeous Potato. Hi Karan, how are you?
I'm Inni, I'm good, how are you?
I am great, Karan. So the very first question that comes to my mind, Karan, is the name. ये इतना unique नाम, Gorgeous Potato. What's the reason behind this?
I personally feel that being a potato is a vibe, you know, being lazy, also like fun, and I mean totally out of shape also, and I want to embrace all of it because that's me, and I definitely feel gorgeous on top of all that, so why not? But like the real spelling wasn't available, so I had to improvise with an H, but potato, you know.
True that. But that's the vibe, you know, like ultimately
Totally,
you should be happy with yourself. I am
Exactly.
gorgeous. मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
Exactly. खुद की नहीं होगी तो और I mean, who else will make you your favorite if you can't be your own?
Better about yourself. That's true.
Exactly.
Please tell us about your journey. Tell all your fans about your journey. कैसे शुरुआत हुई?
So I was working in fashion. I'm a fashion designer otherwise. Lockdown ke pehle I was doing my own thing, and when the lockdown happened, the rents and salaries of the studio and the labor and everybody, I thought I won't be able to manage or continue it any further. So last May में मैंने उसको stop कर दिया था. And I was just like, you know, I used to make these videos and like fun stuff on Facebook and Instagram, but never was continuous or consistent with it because I kind of have anxiety about my work. So as long as I'm working, I can't focus on these things which are, you know, supposed to be fun. So when I was not doing anything, और उस time तो कुछ हो भी नहीं सकता था, so I was like, why not this? And then I mean, one thing led to other, and then kind of this really happened like a miracle only for me, I will say that.
But since you also mentioned कि पूरे process में, since you know you get anxiety pretty soon, and you know, so what is the, you know, how do you really cope up when you are in such a situation? How do you cope up with your anxieties? What's your process like?
I don't think I have a process. I kind of tried out therapy. I mean, it really initially didn't sort of work for me. These days I'm trying yoga. It's kind of helping with like, you know, at least like making my breathing patterns okay and like, you know, keeping my anxiety in a check. Other than that, I mean, whether it's like work related anxiety or something like that, it only like, I mean, for me personally, it only goes when I know that, you know, I'm doing something good. If you know, if I know that my anxiety is work related and something's not turning out well, so until it will stay.
That's amazing. I can imagine the feeling. Also, you know, social media ka zamana hai, trolls have been prominent throughout, you know, but not just that, even before that, ab social media pe log karte hain, pehle, you know, people used to sarcasm, you know, they used to pinpoint whenever weddings, gatherings, there's so many occasions.
Exactly.
So have you ever come across anything where, you know, people body shamed you or any such bullying or anything that happened with you personally?
Okay, so I don't know if you've noticed or not, but like a lot of content of mine stems from these toxic relatives, be it like uncles or aunties or anybody. And I definitely have. Like, you know, some people think that, you know, they are just like healthily suggesting you to be fit or to be slim or something like that. But it's not a healthy suggestion anymore. It's downright body shaming. And other than that, like there have been enormous experiences in school, or like you know, like body shaming and bullying and everything that went on for like ages in my school, for me at least. And other than that, there have been like general instances where like people very carelessly just make remarks thinking that they don't have an effect, or thinking that, you know, if I'll say this thing to this person, maybe they'll realize that they're fat and they need to do something about it. But what they don't realize is that I see myself in the mirror every day, I live with myself, and I know what I am.
Yeah.
And you know, if I want to be on a journey to become healthy or fit, that is something that I will take a call for, and I think I have. And you know, the problem lies in the fact that people think that the being slim and being fit are the same things, which is not true. You can be plus size, you can be thin, you can be anybody and be fit, and you can be all those things but not be fit. So I think as long as you're fit, it doesn't matter what shape your body is. And to people who keep telling you this, I really think that it's time that they start realizing that their words have an effect, and a negative one only, as far as I'm concerned.
अपना कोई किस्सा, if you remember anything that stuck by you and it really disappointed you, because you mature with age, right? Initial years में तो it must have really bothered you, or कुछ anything that you can recall now that we're talking about it.
See, like I said, school was, I mean, almost always an issue when it came to these things. And not just body image, but like for a lot of things you get bullied, because, I mean, there are also kids who don't know any better. There were times when like a lot of boys used to bully me for being fat, and also a lot of other things. And there have been like I mean, usually when you tell a teacher about it, they take an action. And it used to happen, but like once or twice this also has happened, that one particular teacher may have not, you know, been in support, and she would be like, कि हाँ तो फिर आपको वो बोल रहे हैं तो फिर भागा करो ना. And I'm like, what? Is this really happening? So yeah, I mean, that kind of stuck with me. And yeah, needless to say, I never performed well in PT classes. And उसके बाद तो जो
हाँ तो भागा करो ना.
Exactly.
Crazy. Acha. And what has your cope-up mechanism been all throughout?
I think I've you know, tried to live through a lot of characters and stories that I've seen on TV or like read, because I think sometimes living in your fantasies, in your utopia, in your this world where, you know, everything is perfect around you, really helps. When you're like in your room at night and you're doing a full Beyonce concert for an imaginary audience of 2 million people, I think that really sort of empowers you sometimes. So yeah, I mean, I just like live in my dreams sometimes. And I really enjoy it at times. But
कभी ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ ना कि किसी ने कुछ कहा और आपको इतना bother कर गया हो कि आपने actually अपनी, you know, you did something कि यार how could, you know, so I really might have to, you look in the mirror and you're like, is there something really wrong in your initial
There are times like that. There definitely are times like that. So the thing is that sometimes on social media also, or like offline, sometimes you don't care. You're in that mindset. But sometimes you are already having a bad day or a bad week, or like you are in that zone already, frustrated and irritated. And just one comment, one tiny slight comment can, you know, make it worse for you. And it just like lets out the outburst. So there are times like that. But like, I don't think I've done anything to change myself. मेरी इतनी motivation तब भी नहीं आई है. But yeah, I have wondered whether something's wrong or not. I would say that if I have done anything in my life to, you know, try to be healthy, I'm not saying I'm healthy or anything, but like, even if I've like taken a step towards the direction of, in that direction, it's only because I realize where I'm lacking as a person, as you know, where my body is lacking and what I need. And I don't think other than that, anybody can make me do anything if I don't want it.
Yeah. And ultimately, I think being fit or being healthy is something that should make you happy.
Exactly, because like I am my longest commitment, you are yours. So why would we listen to anybody else and make changes for ourselves that we don't need at the moment? And when we realize we need it, it's not always too late. So
that's true. That's true. Anything in particular that you are following currently? Any regime or anything?
I'm doing yoga. Yeah, I'm doing yoga, and I'm like also. I have cut down my sugar and stuff because I mean, like post-COVID is also very irritating. I would
Yeah.
say post-COVID is not a great thing to live with. So yeah, I realized that there are changes that I need to make with my life right now.
Yeah.
Because I mean,
Yeah. But is it coming out to be beneficial for you? Are you seeing any changes, good changes?
I like started recently only, but I will say that I'm a little bit at more peace than I used to be.
अच्छा, अगर कोई अगर if you want to talk, like if I ask you to talk किसी भी character में, your favorite character, just pull off something and give answers to those toxic uncles and aunties and all those bullies. तो किस way में, like in some your own unique way, how will it be?
I think Shalaka would only want to answer them.
करो Shalaka.
And Shalaka would say to them that आज तो मेरी पार्टी में तुम लोग आ गए, अगली बार अपना एक बड़ा सा मुंह लेकर मेरी पार्टी में आने की जरूरत की तो तुम्हारी लाशें तुम्हारे बच्चों को बुबलाबू आइलैंड के समुद्र में ही मिलेंगी.
Crazy, that's fab. All right, I think this has been fab, Karan. Thank you so much for joining in. I think बहुत मजा आया मुझे तो. I hope you enjoyed as well.
Thank you so much, Minnie. मुझे भी, I swear, like it was such a fun interview, and I'm glad we scheduled it today because I was having a very lazy day and just like made me get ready and stuff.
That's the motto. सारे दिन से जितने भी lazy लोग हैं winters में सबको उठाना चाहती हूँ मैं. Exactly.
ये मिशन बना लो.
Thank you for joining.
Thank you so much. Thank you.